Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Hue Bridge to a new router and still connect. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, unplug the Hue Bridge from your old router. Next, disconnect the Ethernet cable from the old router. Now, take the Ethernet cable and plug it into your new router. Connect the other end of the cable to the Hue Bridge. Next, plug the Hue Bridge back into a power source. Wait for the Hue Bridge to power up fully. This usually takes about a minute. Once the lights on the Hue Bridge are stable, open the Hue app on your device. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the new router. In the app, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option that says Hue Bridge. Tap on it to search for your Hue Bridge. If the app doesn't find the bridge automatically, tap on Add Bridge manually. Follow the prompts to enter the bridge's IP address if necessary. If you can't find the IP address, you can check it in your router's settings. Once connected, the app should display your lights and accessories. If you have any issues, try resetting the Hue Bridge. To reset, hold down the button on the top for about 10 seconds. After resetting, add the bridge again in the app. Ensure all your lights are responsive after the transfer. If you experience any lag, perform a power cycle on your new router. Lastly, confirm that your Hue devices are working as expected. You've successfully transferred your Hue Bridge to a new router. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.